Auntie is Elsa today, guys. They're having like a book week at school. So, ganyan ang kanyang pa-outfit. Show me lang with the cape and everything. Diba? Ang bunso din, guys, ay payak-iyak siya kanina kasi gusto niya yung suot ng ate niya. Buti na lang na negotiate namin siya. Yeah.
I like too much. Mama, I love us too much.
Aw, that's very nice, Lainey. I think she said she loves you too much.
I love so much too. Yeah, I love it too much, Mommy.
What did you say, Bobby?
Be careful, Mommy.
What did you say, Baba? Do you love Mama too much?
Yes.
I love you very much, Celine. Okay, hold Mama's hand, okay?
Yes, thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. I hold because it's dangerous. Ate, can you do it properly now? You got long hair. Want to say, Baba?
I'm a meat queen.
You don't need cream.
See you later. I was about to say tomorrow. See you later, Celine.
See you later, alligator.
See you
Here you
later,
go.
alligator. Don't forget your
Here.
toilet paper.
Baba, make sure you eat your lunch, okay?
Okay.
And enjoy your day, baby girl.
You enjoy your day too.
I will. Thank you. You have fun, okay?
Okay.
Kiss me. Mwah. Love you.
When I'll blow it.
Mainit daw yung upuan. She's blowing it. You're funny, honey. Still hot? Still hot?
It's okay.
Okay. We'll try to sit now. Do you want Mama's help?
Well, it's not hot.
1, 2,
How to
ready?
put... Ow, it's hot.
Wow! Oh, wow! Ang daming alam ah. Ay, shush! May blow kiss pa. Wow! Beautiful girl! Tinan niyo ang paa. Oh. Ikaw na gid na. Hinihintay lang namin yung coffee namin dito, guys. Oh, it's very warm today. Anak, it's very warm. Sunny. See if it's hot still. Ah, it's not bad. Hey, listen to Mama's name, okay? When they say Jovi, and that's our drink, okay?
Me too. Here, call me too.
Yeah. Alam niyo ba, nagising siya kaninang umaga? Paos yung boses niya. Sabi ko, wag ka.
Like a mermaid.
You like a mermaid. Anak, mas may magibutang sa buhok na. Pikit-pikit mo na eh. You have to blow though. It's still hot.
Happy.
It's still very hot.
Marshmallow.
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 I'll hold this for now, okay? Because this is so hot. Oh, thank you for sharing, baby. Let's go. How about the biscuit? Grab the biscuit. Go. Let's play. It's 9:24 in the morning and nandito kami ngayon sa harapan ng Office Works. So I just literally parked and we are buying a box from here. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, this is very exciting for me.
I'm excited too to get it.
Oh yeah, you're excited.
Hey,
You have to
Mommy.
hold it though. You have to hold it because you might spill it, okay? Stay there and hold it. Good girl. Do you want me? Nak, you can push the thing back so you can sit properly. Push that back. That one. Push it back like a stronger. 2 hands. Good girl. You did it. Here you go, so you can sit properly. So very exciting guys kasi I sold one bag from this website Vestiaire. So I don't know if you've heard about that guys. Tinry ko lang siya. I think I listed it even before we left for Melbourne. But ano lang yun sa akin, parang out of curiosity, sabi ko, I'll try kung maano ba dito, may bibili ba dito. And, the other night, nakatanggap ako ng email na, kasi hindi nag-send ng notification yung app sa akin. Na-shock na lang ako guys, kasi pagka scroll ko sa aking email, may nakalagay doon na, you sold your item. And I was like, oh my God! Like, asan doon yung nabenta ko? And I checked it, and it was actually my Louis Vuitton Tivoli PM. And what's interesting about it, guys, is like, sabi ko, bakit ganito lang yung, yung parang presyo niya? And kasi nga, first time kong magbenta sa website na to, guys. Like, I actually didn't have any idea how it actually works. So, kasi may eBay store din ako, diba? So, sa eBay kasi, guys, like, I control the pricing and everything. But dito sa Vestiaire pala, it's different. Kasi, sabi ko, hindi ko naman din-wrap down ang aking pricing. Bakit ganito lang yung benta ko? So, may bumili kasi, yung Vestiaire pala, they, based daw sa algorithm ng mga na-sold na nila ng mga items before na very similar sa item ko, yun daw yung price na may bibili. So, it happened nga, yeah, may bumili. Pero, God, like, dinilit ko yung ibang listings ko doon, guys. Kasi, I just checked. Kasi hindi ko nga tinitingnan, guys. It was just like one time na nag-post ako doon. And they actually put the price really down.
Mommy!
I'll put it here, okay? Itong nabenta ko ay gora na lang kasi sabi ko, I sold it already, the customer paid. Although, hindi ko pa natatanggap yung pera kasi the money goes to Vestiaire first because I need to ship it before they release the money. And sabi ko,
Hi guys!
doon na lang. But hindi ko talaga in-expect, guys, kasi chika pa more, anak. So, yung ginagawa nila, guys, kapag nakabenta ka na, they will provide a parang connote numbers, it's like a tracking number, tapos ipiprint mo lang. And this one thing, I don't know if I would like to sell there again, but well, you know, a sale is a sale, right? But it's just very annoying, guys, na hindi katulad ng eBay na once I sell something, I can just take it to the post office, post it from there, and then I got my tracking number, and then i-update ko yung yung eBay. Sa kanila kasi, guys, sa Vestiaire, sila yung nagbibigay ng tracking number sa'yo. Tapos, wala kang choice na do it at the post office. So, gumagamit sila ng sarili nilang courier, which is, ito yung ginagamit nila, yung Sendo. Yan. And because of that, nandito kami ngayon sa Office Works kasi kailangan namin bumili ng box. Obviously, wala naman akong mga nakastock na box, guys, kasi every time na I sell something from eBay, pupunta ako ng post office and they have all the boxes there. Pero, yun na nga, may mga Australia Post na naka-print. Ito kasi, I feel like kailangan siyang plain lang, tapos i-attach mo tong tracking number o yung connote. And kailangan kong bilhin dito sa sa Office Works. So, sabi ko nga, oh my God, like, because binaba yung presyo ng bag, guys. Sabi ko, is it really worth it? Parang wala na akong kita doon na. Tapos, yung time pa, yung pag-drive pa dito, yung petrol and everything. It's, so, ito yung bag. Pakita ko yung bag. So, I'll be transparent, guys, with the pricing. So, ito siya. I think I got it listed for 600. I think 600. And then, yung Vestiaire, yung sinabi sa akin na nabenta ko na yung bag. Alam niyo ba, guys, ang sabi, your sale is 450. My God. Sa bag na to, 450. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, wala na. Pati ang puhunan ay wala na, guys. Pati yung puhunan, kinain na. So, here's the bag. Ayan. Obviously, guys, it's pre-owned. May mga ano na siya, may mga wear and all, nagpatina na siya, may slight tarnishing na sa kanyang hardware. But still, you know, it's Louis Vuitton and this is a classic bag. And wala na akong ano, pwede ko na ma-cancel guys. Like, to be honest, pwede siya i-cancel. But sabi ko sa sarili ko, go rebels na lang kasi first time kong makabenta doon. And hopefully, tuloy-tuloy. But, now, alam ko na ganun pala yung mga galawan nila sa Vestiaire. Ay, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. So, another annoying thing is, hindi mo pwedeng i-edit yung pricing guys. So, once na list mo na sa website nila, ay yun na yun ang price. Tapos sila na yung bababa para mabenta yung bag mo. Kaya if gusto mong i-change yung price, you have to delete it and repost it. Very annoying, ano? Sa eBay, like, I didn't have that issue. Kasi, may offer na option sa eBay, but ako yung may power na mag-send ng offer. Yung eBay hindi buot-buot og send ng offer, guys. But anyways, I sold the bag. I'm here now, so enough with that. I just wanna share my experience, guys. Sa mga you'll never know, may mga gusto ring magbenta dyan sa Vestiaire. Unlike sa eBay na sa post office ko dinadala, meron silang mga drop-off locations. So, kailangan ko pang dalhin talaga doon sa drop-off locations, guys. Buti na lang hindi malayo sa amin yung doon lang sa near Woolworths. Office works. Mailing.
I want to look something toy.
Yeah?
Yes.
Toys? I don't think they have toys here, sweetheart.
No, it's in there.
Oh, this one here. Come here, anak. Ganito.
Wow. Wow, Mommy, look.
What is that, Papa?
Look. Look at this.
I can see.
Put it in the bag.
Wait, don't put it in the bag, Papa. We don't need that one.
Okay.
Thank you. It's small.
I'm for helping you, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Mom, what is this? Mom, what is this? Mom, what is this?
Oh, it's just kale.
Ah, for a bedroom. For a bedroom.
The bedroom.
Yeah, everything.
Okay, so that is not it. Maybe this one. Oh, okay. Selene?
Yes, Mom, I'm just finding something.
Okay. We'll see if this fits. Stay here lang.
Oh, I'm finding something.
I know, stay here.
I'm finding something.
Okay, this one gosh.
I just coming back here. I just wait for me. I was looking something, okay? Just wait a minute for
This one is kasha, oh.
come back.
Sabi ni Daddy Mike, just get a few. Kasi, you know, if we keep posting more.
Look this way. No, wait.
I'll come with you. It's alright. I'll come with you there later. We'll do this one first, okay?
No, wait for me. Yes, I go.
There might be wolf there that will take you. Stay here.
No, wait for a minute.
I'll come with you.
No, wait for a minute. I'll go back soon.
Tingnan niyo ang mukha ko.
I need to go now. I'll come back soon.
Where do you want to go?
I'm just going to look something.
Look for something.
Yeah.
Well, can you stay with Mama first?
No, it's
Let me
okay.
just do this first.
I'll come back soon, okay? I don't want to come back soon.
Where are you going? I'm worried there might be a wolf there. It'll take you.
No, it's okay. I'll come back soon.
Can you stay with Mama?
Oh, but it's okay. I see the wolf. Let's punch him off. I'll punch him off, okay?
Punch him off.
Yeah, I'll punch him off. Just wait a minute. I will just punch him off. I understand.
miss you. I want you here with me.
No, he's coming.
Huh?
Cause he's coming. Cause I had to get him. I had to punch him.
Okay. Not too far though. Just on that side, okay?
No, I got to punch the wolf. Big wolf.
Big wolf. Okay.
I got to punch him.
Look, we're gonna buy this one. And
I got to. I just going to. Look at the wolf. We'll punch him. We'll just punch him. We'll just wait a minute. Now it's time to go. When I come back. I'll say, yeah, go.
Wait.
Like that.
that's scary. How will you do it? How will you do it?
Like, keep.
Oh my goodness.
I'll take him.
Take him.
Yeah.
Oh
But
my
it's
god.
okay. There's no monsters. But I can't punch the wolf. Or I'm strong.
You are strong, aren't you?
It's telling me I'll punch the wolf. Just wait a minute. I'll come back soon.
Okay. Make sure you come back.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Ang batang talaga to eh. Oh! Oh my god, you're so strong! Good job! Oh my god, she killed the wolf. Nandito kami sa Bunnings ni Baby Celine. Bibili kami ng plastic storage, guys, yung tub. And ito siya, nakatulog siya sa sasakyan. So I waited for a little bit bago kami lumabas para makuha niya ang kanyang desired na tulog. Are you happy now? You happy now? I think ito yung gusto ni Daddy Mike. Kasi tinignan niya to online eh. Ayan, 50 liters, 650. This one lang. Another?
Wow.
5? 1, 2, 3. Ganda-ganda naman ang batang yan. Uy. She's playing with the blush on, guys. Kasi kaninang umaga, nilagyan niyo sa Paris kasi nga book week nila today. Tingnan niyo. Kakauwi lang namin. Agad-agad. Kinuha niya yung lipstick. Tsaka yung blush on. Ikaw na, Judnak. So, nakabili kami ng 10 plastic storage sa Bunnings, guys. Kasi 650 lang naman yung isa. Surprise! You look so beautiful, baby. And gusto pa nga ni Daddy Mike na more daw. Sabi ko, it's alright for now, like 10. Kung hindi man, kasi may mga bagay-bagay kaming inaano sa garage, guys. Kaya kailangan namin ng ganun para malinis siya tingnan. So, ito yung ating box from Office Works. So, ipapak na natin today para after nating pick upin sa Ate Paris mamaya sa school, ay diretso natin yan siya. Drop natin doon. So, while we were in Bunnings, bumili kami ng paper towel. Sobrang, oh my god, sobrang laki nito, guys. Anak, we should have bought 2 lang. Kasi $5 lang to, sobrang dami. Anyways, we can always go back. And then, sa Office Works ito, guys. Ito yung gagamitin ko for packing ang ating parcel today. This one is from Office Works as well. Ito naman sa ating balikbayan box. Kasi this one is heavy duty. Ayan. Super strong holding power. So, ito yung kailangan natin. And then, sa Bunnings, bumili ako nito kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko nailagay yung isa ko, guys. Sobrang dami pa ng laman. And I had to buy this one kasi panglinis natin to sa mga metals ng ating hardware ng ating mga bags. Also got this one. kasi na-block yung ating ito minsan dito sa sink sa kitchen, pero yung ating sink sa bathroom ay na-block siya, guys. We have Sharpies, pens, hooks. Ayan, what else did we get? I got another one from Bunnings, guys, kasi the same lang siya, ha. Tingnan nyo, the same siya, Office Works and Bunnings, but I think Bunnings is $1 cheaper, if I'm not mistaken. So, kasi una kami sa Office Works, so nabili ko na to, and then I found out cheaper ito siya. Humingi nila ako ng isa. Then I got this one for our price tags. Pag nagbenta tayo. So, ito yung tracking number. Meron din silang ganito, guys. So, dito, a message from your seller. I'm gonna write something here for the buyer. Love letter. Ganun. Anong oras na ba na? Kumain na pala kami ni Baby Celine, guys. So, we're good. It's now 1:30. Ano nga ba ang name ng buyer na? Caris. Vestiaire Collective. Yan yung pangalan ng app or website na kung saan ko nabenta yung bag. So, to our buyer, thanks for purchasing with us and being an active member of our community. By buying secondhand, you are extending the life of pre-owned items. With just 9 extra months of use, you could reduce their carbon, water, and waste footprints by around 20 to 30%.
Hi. I like my makeup. Hi guys, just putting my hair. I just only be full like a princess. Let's start. Just wait a minute. So
it's now 3 o'clock, guys. Dito kami sa harapan ng school ni Ate Paris to pick her up. But have a look at Celine. Nak, show what you've got there. Present! So we saw Dylan, yung friend namin, guys. And she came here to just drop this for Celine. Have a look. Nakbi? You have few dresses there lang. 4 or 5 dresses, yeah? And the tiara, tingnan nyo ang kanyang suot.
this is a mermaid dress.
I know, you're very lucky.
And this is a pink one.
Mm-hmm.
It's not blue.
Yeah, there's some nail polishes as well, and sunnies, and sparkly shoes. Which one? The purple one?
Yeah,
I think that one is Isabella
I know.
from Encanto.
No, I didn't got it last night.
Mm-hmm. Very lucky girl you are. Naglalabasan na yung mga kiddos. Oh, have a look at that one now. Dragon! Look! That is so cool. Nice.
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur! Dragon na buang. Mama naman. There's an angel there. What's Ati lang? Elsa. That's right. Ati is here.
What's wrong?
Look at Lini, Ati. She's got so many dress. How are you, Ati?
Good.
Good. Did you enjoy your outfit? Yeah. I didn't know there's a parade lang.
No.
Huh? You didn't tell me.
I think my parents are allowed to come.
Oh, really? Yeah. Georgina told me. Dylan told me. I said like, oh, I didn't know. Cause she said like, oh, Paris looked lovely in her dress today. I said like, oh, did you see her? It's like, yeah, cause there was a parade this morning.
Yeah, but So, Mama, can I tell you something?
Hmm?
I actually didn't know.
Oh, okay. That's alright.
Can I
I
tell
didn't
you?
know. Sure. Anyways. Alright, so go na. Go. Yeah. Tingnan niyo si Celine, guys. Oh my God. How many dresses have you got in there? Too many.
Many.
Too many.
I got lots of it.
I know. You're so lucky.
That's not.
Bit-bit na si Inday sa kanyang mga damit, oh. Yung dress na suot niya ngayon, kay Dylan din yan. Yung anak kasi niya, sobrang hilig, yung kaibigan natin Paris. Sobrang hilig sa mga princess dress. Then, Mama hold for you. There you go. So ngayon, isa lang yung anak niya, wala mang tagasunod. So si Celine yung tagasunod. Anak no, kasi ang ating ate Paris naman ay hindi naman yan siya sobrang hilig sa mga princess dress. Nung bata pa. Uy! Pero yung suot niya ngayon, sobrang ganda. Anak no? Anak ba? Model your dress lang eh.
Mama, I really want to wear this. I really want to wear the.
Okay, you can wear upstairs, okay?
I really want to wear the flower dress.
The flower dress? What's the song?
He taught me that I'm a dream.
Would be just out of reach. Hey sis, I want never sound of you.
It's either one.
I don't want to sound of you. Can you hear me now? Bruno.
Can you do the baby?
Of course.
Mom.
I'll carry you? Oh my god. Okay. Yes.
Most of the day, I've been looking like this.
Yes, you know. So it's now 6:50 ng gabi, guys. I'm just cooking sausages for dinner. And ang ating daddy Mike ay hindi pa nakauwi kasi he's working sa office today. And normally pinipick up namin siya dito. But I said, kasi kanina hapon pagka-uwi namin, pinaliguan ko yung mga kids. I was trying their hair and all that. So sabi ko na namin, he was asking me if pipick upin ba namin siya. And I said that you're right to walk. And daddy Mike loves walking guys. You know that. So he's happy. And sabi niya, yeah, I'm fine. So he's still walking home now. And I'm trying to do this. Kung pagdarating niya ay makapaghapunan na kami. Look at this beautiful girl here.
Hey!
Look at this princess. Wow! And the shoes? And the shoes? Whoa! What princess you are?
Yeah.
You're a princess. You're mama's princess. Oh! Oh! Careful! Careful with me. Careful enough, you might slide. Oh no. Don't run. Okay? I'm too slippery. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.
I'm scared again. Open that.
3 kids. You got a dress?
From Dylan.
It's from Dylan.
I got so red dress. It got very a panzo.
Panzo?
Yeah. A panzo.
Do you like her panzo?
Yeah.
Come on, boy. Come boy.
Come on, boy.
I'll show you. In here. Turn the light. Mama, turn the light. I'm turn the light.
Okay. Okay.
Surprise!
Oh my god! Wow!
This is Pancho and this is Fairy.
Wow!
What's this one?
And this is the mermaid.
Wow!
Daddy, wow.
Leni, I was talking to Lolo Jeff earlier. You're at the wheel. You're standing upstairs.
Daddy, look, this is the Pancho. This is... What is
Panzo.
this?
I forgot lang. Nak! What's Mirabelle's sister? No, the other one. Isabel. Isabel.
Bell!
Isabella.
I say bell!
He told me that
I
you
say bell!
Isabella.
Bell!
What did Lolo Jeff say?
Lolo Jeff said he bought you and Ati dresses.
Ah, wow,
Might send
lucky.
He didn't get us his dresses.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
He got your dress last time too, didn't he, Mummy?